Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Aashis Mahato.
Aashis Mahato. How old are you, Aashis?
I am 26 years old.
26. Are you married?
No, I am not married. I am single.
You are single. Your education?
I am to close to pass.
Plus 2. Okay. So, Mr. Aashis, do you have any job experience?
Yes, I have job experience in 4 years in Nepal.
4 years. Okay. In which position you are working?
Kitchen assistant.
Kitchen assistant. Okay. So, Mr. Aashis, what was your actual duty there as a kitchen assistant?
Before I cutting vegetable, meat and fish, etc. and cleaning to all running to kitchen.
Okay. And now, can you show me some demo of vegetable
Yes,
cutting?
of course, sir.
Show me. Okay, thank you, Mr. Aashis.
Thank you.